Today's video I'm going to tell you guys that how I made $500 by making how many designs on Redbubble and how many designs are sufficient. Hey guys, what's up? This is me which I have been in print on demand business more than a year and I'm here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So guys, keep supporting me in this way and like, comment and subscribe is very important and I need your support guys. Keep subscribing and also share my videos as much as you can. So let's get started. Most asked question by my subscriber is that how many designs are sufficient to make for first sale and how many designs are sufficient to make a lot of money on Redbubble. So I'm going to share with you guys that Redbubble is just a number game, as I have already told you guys in my previous video as well. More number of designs you have, more chances you will have to get more sales. In my personal opinion, that if you starting a Redbubble shop, first start making 100 designs, and once you made 100 designs, after that you will figure out in which domain or in which niche you are best or the which niche is selling well for you. When I once started, I keep uploading designs on the trends. The passage of time it keep on increasing and the number of my designs keep on increasing, but right after 1 month I got my first Redbubble sale and it's just a sticker pack. Still remember that day, I was very happy on that day, and then after that I keep uploading more and more designs, and after few weeks I get to know this fact that Redbubble is just a number game. More designs you have on your shop, there are more chances that you will get your design seen on their marketplace and you will get more sales. And with the passage of time, my sales keep on increasing day by day. Once I have done uploaded my 200 designs on Redbubble, I get to know that which niche is best for me and which niche is selling well for me. So I started making designs on it, and with the passage of time, within 2 weeks I get more positive response with this thing that I have learned, that trends keep getting more traffic on your shop, and if you have evergreen designs, they are likely to sell more. So I keep making evergreen designs, and with evergreen designs I am also making trending designs, and the traffic is start coming up on my shop and I start getting more and more sales. Here we are on my sales history, and here you can see that first sale I have made is of sticker and someone bought from United States, and I just got 0.31 bucks, so that's very low. And the second day I got the sale of mask, and the other day I also got the mask, old mask again, and sticker. Here you can see that I am getting very low margin on it, as I was new at that time and I only going through with the Redbubble called margin, which is 20%, and after with the passage of time I get to know that you can set your margin, and here you can see that I set the margin and start getting more sales. And here I am still getting 0.94 bucks, but that's not much, but it's enough. Like I have set the margin to 100, and now you can see the sales here, it is increasing because I have increased the margin to 100, and for the mask I have increased it to 30%. And here you can see that for the first month I kept on selling mask sticker. Here is only throw pillow, and I only got $4.5. And if we go up, there is one glossy sticker, and it keep on going and going. Mask stickers, marks, greeting cards, and all the stuff. And here from up there you can see these are all the masks and the stickers and all this stuff. So this keeps on going, and with the few passage of time I got my $500. Main question that comes to your mind is, after how many designs I got my $500? Basically guys, it is about 250 designs. Right after 250 designs I got this thing that I have made $500 from Redbubble. As I told you earlier, that right after 200 designs I get to know that which niches are going well. So the basic purpose of this activity is to target the main niches and upload as much as designs on such type of niches. If you get such type of niche, you will definitely hit more than $500, and I'm assuring you this guys. I believe in you guys that you guys can make more than $500, and most of you guys are doing very well on Redbubble, and I'm pretty sure that with the passage of few months you can get this target as well. And one more question comes to your mind, that why I am so sure about this thing that this will work, as I experimented this one on one of my friends. I told the same techniques and all the things from my experience, and he implemented it, and he also made more than $500 on Redbubble, and now he's earning like $200 to $300 per month on Redbubble. So guys, this is very easy, you can also do it, and I'm very sure that you are much capable than that. So this is it for today's videos guys. If you have any query related to Redbubble, you can ask me on my Instagram DM, and the link of my Instagram is in the description below. And thank you to all the guys who are watching till this, and I really like you guys, and keep supporting me in this way, and share my videos as much as you can. And once I reach the 500 subscriber, I will also give away free Pro Canva to you guys. So guys, keep sharing my videos and keep supporting me in this way. Come next day with a new video. So guys, take care of yourselves, have a nice day, cheers.